The City of Shawnee for the past 2 years has been certified as a healthy community and a healthy business. Back in November of 2000, the Tobacco Settlement Endowment Trust was set by Constitution Amendment by the voters of the people to set up a fund to help make programs for tobacco prevention and other healthy programs. And the City of Shawnee was made aware of this a couple of years ago, was certified on a basic level for the City of Shawnee itself as a business and for the City of Shawnee as a community. The community being schools, organizations, anything that deals with the community as a whole on health issues and things like that.
The fact that the City of Shawnee and the Shawnee community have been certified as healthy business and healthy community solidifies Shawnee amongst the nation's elite communities. The World Health Organization also has recognized Shawnee as elite. It was reported that Shawnee was the 5th community to be certified as a safe community. Kate Joyce is director at our senior center and chairs the Safe Community Committee, which works to help our entire community remain designated as one of the safest in America.
I became involved with the Safe Community Committee when the county commissioners asked me to go out and be a part of the local emergency planning committee because our building is a designated storm shelter. And one of the programs that they determined was necessary but did not have in place yet was a program to prevent falls among the elderly, because that was the single largest injury that landed seniors in the hospital, and after that either a nursing home temporarily or potentially full-time. Wanted to participate in reducing those injuries, and we had an exercise program that was in our building, and it was happening just a couple of days a week. So we wanted to expand on that and offer a couple of different programs so that anybody that wanted to come to a program could come here to the Senior Center. Kind of the big picture for safe communities is where, from the top down, from the government level all the way to homeowners and renters and citizens within the community, even into the school programs, people are concerned about the safety and well-being of not just themselves, but of everyone around them. And each community has the opportunity to identify the things that are important to them. It could be not driving while texting. It could be fall prevention among the elderly, which was something that was of a concern for us. It could be identifying all of the different organizations that are helping agencies within your community so that you can kind of develop a clearinghouse to tell people what services are available when the need arises for them. And this community has so many organizations and services and such a giving emanation about it that it was a shame not to go for the designation. I really want the Shawnee community to be aware of how really cool it is that the World Health Organization has recognized the level of success of the organizations that are in our community enough to give it a Safe Communities designation. I mean, it is an amazing feat for a community the size of Shawnee. The big thing about safe communities, I think, that people are missing is that when you have an opportunity to have a designation like this and you can publicize it properly, the marketing potential for bringing in outside businesses and new people into your community and new programs and new money to support those programs is so much higher. You know, you've been given a designation by no less than the World Health Organization that says that you do things in your community that make a difference. And when the community at the base level buys into that and it works itself up and down the chain, then you have something really special that you can offer to others and to other communities in terms of training and support as well. If someone was in need or knew someone who was in need, the first place that they could try finding help would be by calling 211, and that's kind of a national helpline that has information about Shawnee and Oklahoma City area as well as other places in the nation. I currently sit as the chair for the Safe Communities Committee and the Local Emergency Planning Committee, now that the program is established, is really hoping to open up the committee for membership from the community. We would love to have people who are comfortable with marketing, fundraising, event planning, all of those types of things that would help us involve the community with the Safe Community programs. Safe Communities Committee doesn't have to be a small committee. And my mom always said that if you want someone to help you, all you have to do is ask. And so I'm asking you, please, if you have a talent or the will to volunteer, we would love to have your help, and please call me.
As a community, I think we all should be proud that the City of Shawnee and the citizens and other entities within this city are doing what they can to provide the best health awareness possible for all citizens here within the town.